In our next linear inequality, we want to solve for x. And what I'll do first is move all the x's to the left-hand side and the constant values towards the right-hand side. So if I move 4x to the left-hand side, it will become negative 4x. And if I move 6 to the right-hand side, it will become negative 6. And if I simplify, I have negative 7x on the left is bigger or equal to 21. And now again, I will divide both sides by negative 7. So if I simplify, on the left, I have x, and on the right, I have negative 3. But remember that when we divide by a negative, the direction of the inequality would change. So for this inequality, x would be smaller or equal to negative 3. So let us consider a number line. And on the number line, we locate negative 3. And because x can be equal to negative 3, we showed it with a closed O. But x now is smaller than negative 3. So that includes values to the left of negative 3, like negative 4, negative 5, or any fraction or decimal which you can think of that is smaller than negative 3, all the way up to negative infinity. And in our interval notation, we have negative infinity as our minimum value, and our maximum value is negative 3 with a square bracket to show that x can be either smaller or equal to negative 3.